It was also a celebration of womanhood, I would say, that the girl has, reached womanhood. And also because the girls got married at a very young age in villages, I think this was an opportunity for parents of the boys to say, okay, now we have this girl who is,
Ready.
ready for marriage. Predominantly in Tamil Nadu, states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and in Andhra. Why in Kerala? I'm not too sure because it was because of the Marmagattai thing. The matriarchy was so dominant there. And I think the girls also had an opportunity to choose their would-be husbands. That was one thing. And it was all, yes, it was, I would say it was a celebration of womanhood, and hence it's celebrated like a small wedding where all the villages, the families are invited and the girl is dressed up. And it's also one of the phases in one's life which needs to be celebrated, like all the 16 samskaras that you have, right from birth till the last. This is also celebrated. So this not to be hidden, but it has to be, so this joyousness of every aspect of womanhood, every aspect of life, needs to be taken into account and needs to be made into a joyous occasion.
In Hindus now we have several functions. Functions in the sense it's like meeting all together, having heart to heart, talks, everything. And we eat, we enjoy for a day.
But only women or also men are there?
Of course, women celebrate more than a man. Obviously, because that was related to women, right? So 9 days, actually that function in the sense 9 days, 12 days. We celebrate two types. It was 9 days function.
And it's very traditional in that
Very traditional, very traditional. We all just put half saris and saris, gegras, salwars, whatever that was. We'll meet all together, have a nice greetings, gifts together.
And she is not shy. She is very proud.
Yeah. Then she actually scientifically, when a girl has entered 13 or 14 years, when her period starts, her brain matures. Automatically her brain matures more. So we say that was a mature function. In Hindus now we celebrate that was a real function event.
But why not in North?
Maybe in the earlier times it might have been there. But see, North was always subjugated to many, many upheavals. North never has had a peaceful kind of, history.
What happened in the northern area when a girl gets the menstruation, the period, the first time? They do some celebration or not? No?
No.
It's a very private thing, or the brother and the father are
staying on house and daughter going somebody's house. First day, 2-3 days after clean, she come back in her house.
And where they go, to which house of whom?
After 5 days,
But to whom? How they chose the house?
some relationship, and other person.
But not, she doesn't stay in her home.
Yes, because she can't brother and father and not removing like that torture.
Don't touch the men in the house.
Right. And some family doesn't eat food when that time that is going down.
Don't eat food.
No father, sister, no family. We can't touch temples and we can't do meditation. We can clean myself house, nothing. We eat my plate. I can wash myself. Nobody toss. Nobody plate toss. We can toss. No, very very difficult that time. And second time, okay. First time we are going be carefully, our father and brother. Okay. Then I don't know other person, other caste.
And what is your caste?
My caste, my mother caste Rai. R-A-I. My husband caste is Kshatriya. Kshatriya.
And what are you then?
Me Kshatriya. I'm Kshatriya. My husband Kshatriya. Different kind. Very very difficult. Sometimes my husband, young, older brother come and like that. And like that. I can't laugh loudly. I can't speak loudly. Like that. I'm tired. All body is paining. When that time he is staying in my house. But my caste, no, free. Hello, hi. Sit down. Eat food.
Because Rai is less than Kshatriya, or what is, how is?
Little bit, but we are also high. But Kshatriya is more than high. But I'm not care caste. I want to care only clean. Whose people is clean, I can eat food. Whose people is Kshatriya, his nail is put on dirties and teeth and feet and body is smiling. I'm not care Kshatriya, Rai and small caste. I want to clean only. Whose people is clean, I can eat. Whose people is Kshatriya, but he is dirty, I can have food.
So, Mr. Tripathi, you have just come from a area, from a tribal area in Orissa.
Yes, it was near. I think it's in Koraput district, Orissa.
And what was there?
It was the ceremony for the women or the girls when they have first time menstruation.
Menstruation, when they
Yes.
arrive to puberty.
Yes, and it was the whole day program, especially for the women's. And some men also can join. And they enjoy the puja and singing, dancing.
But this particular celebration, have you seen in other
Never,
parts?
never. It was first time in my life.
And you thought that it was something tribal, or
Yeah, it's like a tribe. It's an area about the tribal.
it's not common in
No.
North? You have never heard
I
of
never
it?
saw in North India. I think it's only in Orissa or in some Andhra Pradesh. Maybe in Andhra. People told me maybe in Andhra Pradesh also. But this type celebrations also in tribal area.
And what they were doing? So they were doing puja and...
Yes, they were doing the puja. Because I was there only for the half hour. They invite me for the whole day celebration, but it was the less time, so we spent only 30 minutes or half hour, 1 hour.
How is in Mauritius for the local people?
Mauritius does not have local people.
No?
No. We only have people who have come from Africa, from India, from China, from France,
Yeah.
and then from all that mixture another population has come,
Correct,
the
correct.
mulattoes. So everyone has carried the ancestral customs and come with that, you know. But a great deal of, you know,
So each country
secrecy
follows.
surrounds
Oh,
that.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, you're not supposed to talk loud about it. And
Okay,
all.
okay.
Yeah.
So they maintain, the respective communities maintain their...
Maintain their
Okay,
customs. Yeah, that's why the South Indians used to say that we celebrate it. For
Yeah, we
us, it's
celebrate.
like a marriage.
Yeah.
when the girl becomes.
And the Africans, those who come from Africa?
The Africans and all, they're not so secretive and all. But I think we didn't know their customs so well. But I never heard anyone say, oh my God, the periods have come and you have to now go and hide or, you know.
Yeah. No, but the whole village would know because the girl would not be seen anywhere.
Yeah.
Anyway, it never, you can't maintain a secret
Yeah.
because, she'll never be there.
Yeah.
And
it was so shameful because in my house also we maintain the taboos. So if there is for example, a community puja.
Yeah.
Now the big shame was that if I don't go and sit there, everybody will know that.
Yeah, that's it. That is it.